everybody, I'm back for a quick video. You'll see I have the blue pouch that says Jennifer Harvey and Chic Sparrow. All I did was cut the top open. So let's see what we have inside. Again, it has the thank you note. And I've got something special in here. I'll get that out of the way. It kind of has something to do with this. So you'll see there's two items right here. And let's just go through everything. There's the 5-year anniversary postcard. Ooh, there's a new sticker. Look how beautiful that is. The eggs and the feathers and the little bowl. And also, there we go. I think that's everything. Yes. Okay, so it has something to do with this little beauty here. This is my pocket fern. And if you're on the Chic Sparrow 2.0 Facebook group, every once in a while they have these new like listings for some discontinued items or discontinued leathers that they might have some still in stock that they're you know going through inventory, and greens have always been one of my favorites, and I loved the fern, and I only decided to get one when I got a pocket, and I actually got the pocket in fern from Jet Pens. I didn't get it from Chic Sparrow, but they had a few things, and so they had a sale this last week, and oop, I got a little something on there. Let's see what we have. Oh my goodness, that is such a pretty green. So if you look, you can see how much darker they get over time. That's so pretty. And actually the pebbling is very similar. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh, I can't get over that. And it is a personal size. You can see it has the pockets here, the 4 elastics, and it has the old pen loop. They had some in inventory that had the old pen loop, and so that's why they were getting rid of these. And then, if you purchased one of these and you were early enough, you could also get a fern in the nano. And just look at the difference in the shades. I have 3. These two are a little bit more closer, but the Pemberley leathers have such beautiful, beautiful colors. And look how light that one is. That's so pretty, and it will darken over time. Oh, so everyone knows. Well, not everyone. If you've watched my recent videos or my Instagram feed, you'll see that I have been into my beautiful nightingale. And let's take all of this stuff and put in here. Well, all but my IDs and stuff. So here's my monthly, my month on 2-page insert. Here's my April insert. I might go back to my olive one. Zipper pouch. And then here is my May. I think I have my olive zipper pouch. There we go. But I also have my Trader Joe one from, let's see. I think the olive one's too dark and the blue one doesn't look, maybe the Trader Joe one. Let's do the Trader Joe one. And that's where some stuff will go. Oh, look how beautiful that is. So I'll take that stuff eventually and put it in here. But it is the old pen loop. So you will have to, or I will have to, and I think it's the new size. Yeah, it's the new size. But look how pretty that is. So what I'm going to do is I will set this little beauty up as like to carry my cards in my wallet when I don't have to take my planner with me. And I had thought of using this for One Book July, a nano. I've really thought of trying that because in the past couple of years I've used a passport. So I thought of a nano or a micro because I've used field notes for many things. So I just wanted to share this quick little unboxing of this beautiful fern that is discontinued. I do know they still have a couple in the pocket size at Jet Pens, because I already had a pocket, but I really wanted a personal. So now I've got my little fern trio, my planner, art journal, and this will be like a little wallet. So I will link Chic Sparrow down below, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.